Dorbar Kapatisi TV. Ka Undi Basnyam Bat Penjas Liang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Limison di Sangma.
So is he the only MLA who has filed in nominations?
Yeah, he is the only one. He has been proposed by Marquis N. Mara and Shri Iti Mondal. So he is the only one who has filed.
So when's the last date for filing of
Today.
Today 4 o'clock.
Yes, tomorrow is withdrawal and election will be on Friday.
Liang Synshar la Pynïakhun do MLA ke NPP narak samgre constituency Limison di Sangma hak election sembut lampang dari Deputy Speaker jogi Dorbar Thawan ke jilla. Ke election ke benta ke Shuki sembut lampang kan long hak atri unai lur arajar pusan hak ba Liang Synshar la Pynïakhun do Limison di Sangma bat ikerteng jong u la terwade ki arngot ki menteri sarkar katau Marcus N Marak baru abu teher mandal. Ulampang ke Dorbar Thomas E Sangma ula pintikna bu ulayo tangai ke kerteng jong u Limison di Sangma haduk menta. On penlong ke election sembut lampang diheding ke jing resign no MLA jong ke Resubel Para utimbiti di Shira na ke kamba ubat.
Withdraw in case somebody needs to withdraw, then we may have to have again the announcement for make a schedule for the election of Deputy Speaker. But so far we have received only one proposal and one nomination.
It's too early to say anything right now. We have assembly session going on, so let us complete the session, and then I will brief you all on all the different aspects.
He received a call from you at after 11 o'clock at night asking him to resign next day. Why this is it that a cabinet reshuffle on the cards?
That's why I said right now we have assembly session going on. So after the assembly session, I will be briefing all of you on all the concerns that you have raised.
Limison will be the consensus of the MDA.
Yes, we will be.
How is there nobody to?
No, so he will be the consensus.
So naturally he will be the
Yes.
to become.
Yes.
So, any particular reason why the party has chosen him?
No, we've discussed with different leaders from the party, and after discussion, we felt that he is a very senior person, and keeping his seniority in mind, and also his experience in the government and in the assembly. So we feel that he would be a good person to be in the post of